Hey guys, I know I'm still with my big buck chasers yet. So I'm riding over to my buddy slash bro slash friend slash whatever you want to call it. And even though I sound gay, I'm not. So yeah, I'm going over to his house, hang out for a bit. I don't know what we'll do. Might do something, ride a bike. But it's sort of another bike vlog. Yeah, I got a new bike. It's a Hyper Spinner from Walmart. It's been a good bike so far besides the bearings. So I got new forks and a new neck. So yeah, so far it's been a pretty nice bike, really light. Recommend you going and buying it. Just strip everything off of it unless you're a brake guy. Because mine has nothing on it. It's pretty nice. Calling you out, Davis. You better go get a new bike. Because you only have one bike and your brother's got like 16 million trillion. So I'm calling you out. Go get that new bike. So, yeah. Shout out to my buddy Nathan. Forgot his name, but he's on YouTube. Late Tag in 3. Shout out to him. Go subscribe. Shout out to my boy Ray's Ghost or Ray's Ghost, whatever. Him. They need the help, guys. Even though I got like 5 subscribers. Doing pretty good. Oh, I'm almost there. One more car. But otherwise, check back to you guys later. Time warp.